Welcome back to another video. Okay, I know it's been a minute since you've seen this lovely face. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining the family, and if you're old, thank you so much for coming back. You know I love y'all. I love all of y'all, and thank you so much for your continuous support on this channel. I'm bearing gifts, you guys. Okay, I make sure when I come, it's always a fruitful visit when I stop by, you know. So yes, you guys, so I come bearing gifts, and as you can see by the title, this is going to be the five best predicted side hustles of 2024. Okay, now these side hustles have been researched and proven to be the highest profiting side hustles for 2024. Okay, you guys, so definitely get your pen and pencil out. Okay, because I have done the research. I've been studying all for y'all. Okay, I've been trying to find out what's new and what's pop. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because this is going to also be a 4-part series. So I'm going to break this video into 4 parts because it's going to be a lot of talk. That's what we're going to do. So this is going to be part 1 of this series, and be sure to be on the lookout for part 2. I'm actually going to shoot part 2 right after this one, you guys. So definitely get your pen and pencil out. Okay, you should see both of these videos going up. Okay, and you definitely want to stay to the end of this video and to the end of part 2's video, because there's going to be a giveaway. Okay, I know it's been a minute since I've done a giveaway on this channel, but we are going to be doing a giveaway, okay, on this series. So make sure you are staying tuned, and make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you liking this video. If you're not a subscriber, you cannot enter the giveaway. Okay, honey. Okay, no cheat codes in this, you know, no cheat codes. Okay, so definitely be a subscriber, and definitely like this video up, and if you are showing interaction, you will be the chosen winner. And I forgot to tell you, if you are new here, hi, hello. My name is Ashley K. I specialize in videos on money. I specialize in videos on lifestyle. And most importantly, I show you how to live your best budget-friendly life, okay? So if that's something you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to this channel, because I give the tea. I am not stingy with the tea over here, okay? So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on what we got going on over here. Okay, now that we got all the talking out of the way, let's get into the first side hustle that's guaranteed to make you some money in 2024. First side hustle that I'm going to talk about is freelancing and content creation. I know you guys are not new to this, okay? This is a very, very lucrative business, i.e. YouTube, i.e. Instagram. There's so many platforms, TikTok now, okay, you guys, there is money to be made out here. And I know a lot of people are saying that, oh, like if you haven't started YouTube, or if you haven't started Instagram back when it was popular, then there's no way you can make money. And that's a total lie, you guys. Like, it doesn't matter when you start, it doesn't matter what time you're starting, it doesn't matter when and what, it doesn't matter about any of that. It's very hard to stay consistent, especially when you have a, you know, 9 to 5 or a job, or that you have to work shift work. And you know, my shift work girlies out there and men out there, y'all know how hard it is to actually maintain and be consistent. But you guys, it is possible. You just have to find the time, and you have to be dedicated to what you're trying to do. And nowadays, another leg up is you definitely have to make sure your content is speaking. You got to make sure you are very proficient in editing, very proficient in making sure your content looks good. You don't have to necessarily have a $5,000 camera or $4,000 camera or whatever the heck. You just need to have a good quality phone. So if you have an iPhone or something, if you have you know, a lot of the Androids nowadays have such good quality. Most popular video content idea topics for 2024. Just a generic search like that can generate so much information and so much search engine information for you to be able to make videos, make content. And there's lots of websites like Google SEO that you can search, and they also generate actual searching topics of what people are searching. Has to be able to find the most popular content that people are searching for, and to make it easier for you. And then all you have to do is just make a video that requires that information, that's answering that question that people are searching for. Their help on that, I definitely do coaching calls, and I definitely do counseling sessions. You guys can definitely book with me if you guys need further help with that. I would link that information down below. If you're just lost in the sauce and you don't know where to go, what's left, what's right, book a call with me. We'll get it done. We'll make sure that you're able to at least have a blueprint on where to start, because I know a lot of people don't know where to start. They are interested in this type of information, but they don't know where to look, don't know where to search, don't know where to start. So definitely hit me up, you you guys if you need further information on that, but I will definitely be putting some free resources down below. Is predicted to make a lot of money in 2024 is virtual assisting. Okay, you guys, so this is a big this was actually a big side hustle in 2023. It was one of the newer ones that was coming up, and not a lot of people were into it, but now you guys, that has definitely changed. The virtual assistant has definitely changed the game when it comes to making money online, especially working remotely. So if you're somebody that wants to work remote and you don't necessarily have the time to go to a facility or go somewhere and be able to put in those 8 hours, but you are at home, you may be a new mom and you don't have a lot of time right now to be able to work, this would be something that you should definitely look into. I've seen rates of virtual assisting from starting from 22 up to the most I probably seen was $45 an hour, you guys, and that's obviously coming with virtual assistance experience. But even entry level, I've seen a lot of jobs start from like 18 to about $22 an hour. So make this a freelancing job as well too. So if you're not interested in just working for a specific company, if you do have the experience of virtual assisting, you can definitely pivot and become your own freelance virtual assistant. I've seen a lot of people offer their services on websites like Fiverr. So the next side hustle is kind of catapulting or piggybacking off of the first side hustle I was talking about, which is content creation. Photography is one of the biggest, if not, it's not a new side hustle. This has been around for a very long time, but photography has been a pretty lucrative job, and it's predicted to make a lot of people a lot of money in 2024. Okay, so if you're someone that has a camera that's just lying around, a very good camera that can take good quality photos, good quality content, okay, you guys better get out there and put that to use. Okay, you guys, if you have a camera that's just sitting out there, you're just using it. I know I had a camera and it was just sitting in my house for the longest time, and I ended up selling it. And had I would have known that I could actually make some money with my camera, I would have kept my camera and been out here shooting content. Okay, you guys, because people are going to freelance photographers to be able to shoot content, whether that be for weddings, whether that be for events. They are requesting for freelancers because a lot of big time photographers are charging a lot more than the freelance photographers, which I've seen quite a bit of people actually offering their services through freelance to be able to become a photographer. So if you're somebody that is good with the camera, you can understand the makings of a camera. If you have a good quality camera, I'm not saying you have to have $1,000 camera, but a lot of these $300 or $400 cameras take very good photos. So if you're somebody that is interested in photography, or if you have a camera and you just don't know what to do with it, it's just collecting dust, get out here and take a nice, go outside, take some nice nature photos. I live in Canada, so it's all white and crisp right now around this time of year. You could take some really good photos of just nature and build a portfolio and put those photos up on an Instagram page, put that up on a freelancing website like Fiverr, and market yourself as a photographer. And people will literally come to you and hire you just for gigs, just to shoot photos. Okay, you guys, so if you're somebody that's interested in photography, or you have a niche of photography, this is something that you can do to make an extra side hustle, or extra hundreds or even thousands of dollars at the end of the year, just off of stuff that you already have in your house. Photographer that can take photos, and you start off small. You don't have to charge hundreds and hundreds of dollars, maybe $70-$80 for a session, and people will book you, guys. Like, people, the hunt for photographers is real. People are just booking normal sessions, and not even celebrities. This is normal people that just want to get professional photos taken. They are out here asking for photographers to be able to do that, and a lot of people can't afford the thousands of dollars sessions. So if you're somebody that's offering $100 a session, $60 a session, even $50 a session for an hour with you, you're already making $50 that you weren't making before. Okay? And the next side hustle that I have for you guys is fitness coaching. Okay, so if you are someone out here that is big into fitness, I love working out, I love fitness, I'm a very fitness girly, okay, and I love going to the gym, I love going to class. is actually fitness coaching, you guys. And I've seen people offer fitness coaching videos on YouTube. I've seen fitness coaching videos on so many different websites that you can put your actual fitness content and be coaching people to do so. You can actually even get on counseling calls and actually counsel people about fitness. Okay, you guys, if you're not somebody that wants to just record a video, but you want to give people just some ideas about a meal plan, some ideas about what exercises to work on if they're trying to work on a specific part of their body, or build a glute muscle, or build a bicep muscle, or whatever the case may be. If you're somebody that's very educated on this information, I've seen so many people actually go on TikTok and they're actually really good at the gym and really good at working out and really good at actually recording content in the gym, and they have and they're now doing coaching and advising calls for people, and that translates into more money that way. So there's so much money out here, you guys, especially if you're in the fitness industry. Like, that is something that you should definitely look into, because that's another way for you to transport your portfolio from just working out in the gym to actually taking it and becoming an e-commerce online. So that is something that you should definitely check out if you're into fitness. All my fitness people, definitely look into that. And like I said, I will put some more information in the description bar so you can actually check that out as well too. Last side hustle that I have for you in this video, you guys, is handcraft art. So if you're somebody that is really good at your hands, let's say making candles, origami, if you're really good at, even I've seen some really cool people do like glass sculptures. If you're somebody that's an artsy type of person and you are just really good at creating new things out of materials that you can just find very easily, then you definitely want to check out selling your arts and crafts, or selling your art online. Sites like Etsy, there's so many different sites that you can sell your actual crafts online. Okay, candles, handmade candles, these things are, this industry is very big, and it's predicted to make a lot of people a lot of money. And yes, you guys, so if you are interested in starting your own handcrafting business, or you're really good at your hands when it comes to art, definitely check out Etsy for selling your art online. It's free to actually post your art on Etsy, and you can definitely be making a lot of money. A lot of people are making millions on Etsy. You heard what I said? Millions on Etsy. So definitely check that out. And like I said, I have more information in the description bar if you guys want to check out some more tips and tricks and you're just confused as to where to start. Definitely look at the description bar, because I give you guys a little bit more information than what I have disclosed in the video. Okay, you guys, so now that we got all the side hustles out the way, that is everything for this first video of the series. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end, to watching to the end, so you guys can actually get the full 411. So in the next video, I will be doing a giveaway, so you guys stay tuned for that, so you guys can actually win a little bit of money. Okay, I'll do something away. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are not. Be sure to follow me on all my socials that will be down below. And yes, I'll see you guys in the next one.